Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to add multiple Steam game accounts on one PC. This is perfect for managing separate profiles or sharing your computer with others. First, open your Steam app. If you do not have it installed, go to the official Steam website and download the latest version. Next, log into your account using your username and password, click Steam in the top left corner, and select Change Account from the drop-down menu. Confirm that you want to switch accounts and allow Steam to restart. After the restart, click the Add Account icon, enter the username and password for your second Steam account, and sign in. You can now switch between accounts as needed, keeping your game libraries and preferences separate. And that is it. You have just learned how to add multiple Steam accounts on one PC. This setup makes it easy to manage different gaming profiles. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.